Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear your doubts. So friends, today's video is question number 1.13 from NCERT textbook class 11. Chapter name is Some Basic Concepts of Chemistry. So let's check the question. Pressure is determined as force per unit area of the surface. The SI unit of pressure, Pascal, is as shown below. 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per meter square. Now, the question is, if mass of air at sea level is 1034 gram per centimeter square, calculate the pressure in Pascal. So friend, first of all we need to write the formula for pressure, that we can write force divided by area, force per unit area. One more way to write the pressure is weight per unit area, and weight we can write like mass into gravity divided by. So we have three formulas for pressure. So in this formula we are going to use the last one formula to calculate our answer in this question. Now come up to the statement. The statement says if mass of air at sea level is 1034 gram per centimeter square area. So they are telling the mass of air in 1 centimeter square area. So simply we can write whatever is given, mass per unit area, which is 1034 grams per centimeter square. We can write like this. So the weight per unit area should be mass per unit area into gravity. It should be 1034 gram 1 centimeter square into 9.8 meter per second square. That is the value of gravity. Now, before doing calculation, we can check the units. The gravity is in the standard units, but the mass per unit area is not in standard units. So first we convert it into standard units. For that we knew already in class 9 that 1 gram is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 kilograms. So we will do like that, 1.034 kilograms, and 1 centimeter square means 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 to the power minus 2 meter. So we can write here 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. That in turn multiplied by 9.8 meter per second square. Now the units are same standard units, so we will calculate further, and after doing all the calculation, the answer what we get is 1.01332 into 10 to the power 5, and the unit will be Pascal, because we are calculating weight per unit area, and this is called the pressure. So its unit will be Pascal. This is our required answer. If you have any complication with dealing with the conversion of the units, please write in the comment section. I will surely help you with that. Till then, please like, share and subscribe the channel, and please press the bell icon. Till then, thank you.